It's standard to put steaks and burgers on your outdoor grill, but a whole pork roast, it's actually easy to do and can give you a lovely seasoned pulled pork for a sandwich. Marguerite Henderson is bringing us this recipe. We have to pause and just look at this beautiful spread. This is ideal for Father's Day.
Father's Day, who doesn't want pulled pork? Some corn on the cob, some baked beans, some coleslaw, and then you could throw a green salad in for maybe somebody who doesn't want all that starch. But you know, a salad of cucumbers and tomatoes and red onions with a little feta, that would be great.
Yum.
But a pulled pork sandwich, maybe you're having 20 people for dinner.
Right.
Okay, so this is the most inexpensive. It's $1 per person.
Oh, okay, when you break it down.
Yes, $1 per person.
Why am I scared to do it on the grill?
Okay, no worries.
No worries. No worries.
You go down to your local big box store, like your Costco.
Yeah.
And you get a package of pork shoulder butt roast.
Okay.
Shoulder butt. Okay, there are 2 of these in the package. This is about 6.5 pounds. The other one was 6.5 pounds. So about 13 pounds for $26.
Okay.
Okay. So you take your roast, and I'm going to take some double-sided. Make sure it's doubled heavy-duty aluminum. Because
you're going to need that support.
Heavy-duty. Don't think, oh, I'll just use my regular. No, heavy-duty. So we're going to throw down some onions on the bottom.
We are throwing it down.
Throw down some onions, and then we're going to put some barbecue rub. Now I have a recipe on the website when you go to the recipe from my own barbecue rub, but you can get, you know, your own dried barbecue rub in the store.
If we are going to just cop out and go commercial, do you have a brand you recommend?
McCormick's does the barbecue rub. You know, they all kind of do a barbecue rub now. So, all right, so you put the pork right on top of that, on the onions. All right, this is 1 or 2 large sweet onions. And then we take the rest of the barbecue rub and just, I mean, there's no rhyme or reason why you have to make it neat, because it's all going to get wrapped up, right?
So you're just sandwiching it in flavor, packing in the flavor on either side.
Put in as many onions as you want if you have, like, onion lovers in your family.
You said onion and my eyes took it.
Sorry.
I felt it right when you said it.
I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Okay, so you're going to wrap this up really tight, okay? As tight as you can. Maybe I should have.
And whatever you do, don't use the heavy-duty aluminum foil.
No,
I'm just kidding.
She said it. I didn't say it.
I'm just kidding. Use the heavy-duty.
You take another sheet, and then you're going to really wrap it up so it doesn't leak, okay?
Okay.
Make sure there are no holes whatsoever.
No.
Now, you could do this the night before.
Okay.
Put it in the fridge. Father's Day.
Yes.
You take this whole thing, put it on the grill.
Just like that?
Just like this.
Okay.
275.
275.
Not hot, any higher.
Low.
275. Low and slow.
Okay.
If you do it any higher, it's going to burn on the bottom. 275. So you could do like, if you have a grill that has like 6 grills, do 1 and 1 and leave the one off in the middle. So you're just getting, you know, indirect heat. Yeah.
And don't have to flip it. Don't have to turn it.
Nope.
Just leave it.
4 hours.
Okay.
4 to 4.5 hours.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pork
Depending
roast
on the side.
grill.
Yeah. Now, if you want to do both of them, you do them in separate containers.
Does it change the texture?
Nope.
No.
Nope. Okay. So I did this one yesterday.
Look at that.
Okay. And it comes out and it has its own natural juices.
Yum.
Right? And it's got the onions in there, so you don't have to, and it's got the seasoning.
Oh, here it comes.
So look at this.
Here it comes. Our mouths are crying.
I know.
AKA our mouths are watering.
So you just take 2 forks and you just pull. Now, if you're going to do it like the day before and then reheat it, make sure it's warm because it's easier to pull when it's warm.
Okay.
If it's cold, the fat sort of coagulates and it's hard to take apart.
Yeah.
But make sure it's warm. And this just smells.
It's amazing. It's hitting me. All those flavors, that rub and the onion, yes.
Right. So you just have to keep pulling and pulling and
there
pulling.
There it is. Your barbecue pulled pork sandwiches.
Okay, and then you take. So here's what I do. I take it and dump it.
Here it comes.
Dump, dump, dump.
Here, I'll be your garbage girl.
Okay, you just put that right there.
Okay.
You can take any barbecue sauce. I also put a recipe for barbecue sauce that I use at home.
I was going to say, you went from scratch with this
I make my own rub and my own sauce. But you don't have to. You know, you can go the easy route. You don't have time to do that, that's fine. The barbecue rub that I make lasts for a year.
Oh, nice.
And it makes about 4 cups.
So you could stockpile it at the beginning of the summer and then be ready to go.
And look at this.
Marguerite, it looks amazing. I know it tastes amazing because I know you.
Okay, so then you take your good old, now I have a brioche bun. I think a hearty bun works best for these.
Well, you need it to support this sandwich.
Yeah, you don't need a, not the flimsy.
You need a heavy-duty bun.
Hamburger bun. And then you top it off with homemade coleslaw.
Oh, on top of the sandwich.
On top of, well, it's very East Coast to do it this way.
Okay, let's be East Coast.
East Coasty. Okay. There. And then baked beans, more coleslaw on the side, some corn on the cob, a little green salad. I mean, Father's Day couldn't get any easier.
I was going to say, Dad is happy, everyone's happy, because as you said...
And this serves, well, you have 2 of these, because you're getting 13, 14 pounds. This probably serves 20 to 25 people.
Nice. Marguerite, thank you so
You're
much.
so welcome.
She has so generously shared all of those recipes she mentioned with us on our website, studio5.ksl.com. Just click on the recipe button. I'm going to be sneak peeking a taste during the commercial break. Ooh, it smells so good.